the golden hall, hear the silver trumpets call. Snow White walks the aisle with a steady, shining smile. From the castle to the gate, every heart has come to wait. Lift the ribbons, raise the lights. Tonight she wears the crown so bright. Hail Snow White, our queen tonight. Hail Snow White, crown her now in candlelight. Our queen tonight. Hand in hand with Prince Rupert, step by step, the joy is heard. Dance, dance, let the bells ring. Snow White Queen, now we sing. Nobleman and peasant, side by side, bow their heads with honest pride. Children spin in satin air, flower petals everywhere. Hear the vows and hear the cheer. Love has brought them standing here. When the chapel doors swing wide, she takes her place with royal pride. Hail Snow White, our queen tonight. Hail Snow White, crown her now in candlelight. Our queen tonight. Hand in hand with Prince Rupert, step by step, the joy is heard. Dance, dance, let the bells ring. Snow White Queen, now we sing. Look how the old wounds fade in the sweep of a wedding pageant parade. No more sorrow, no more fear, only love is living here. Hail Snow White, our queen tonight. Hail Snow White, crown her now in candlelight. Our queen tonight. Hand in hand with Prince Rupert, step by step, the joy is heard.